I wonder what's on the front pages. Daily Mail urges Gareth Southgate's team to make history. The paper also focusing on those decisions made by government yesterday to extend self-isolation rules for another 6 weeks, describing the plans as isolation insanity.
The Guardian reports as many as 10 million people could have to isolate over a 6-week period amid a rising number of coronavirus cases. It quotes Health Secretary Sajid Javid, who said England was entering uncharted territory.
Let's have a look at the Times, leading with reports that fully vaccinated people arriving in or returning to England from countries on the amber list will be able to avoid quarantine from July the 19th. That announcement actually has not yet been made. I think it's expected over the next few days, possibly tomorrow.
Yeah. Customers are fed up with COVID as an excuse for bad service is the most read story on the BBC News app this morning. The article reports on a survey which has found some firms are being accused of using the pandemic as an excuse for long waits on the telephone or late deliveries. Just as I said that, I was playing back the many minutes that I have spent on the phone.
Oh, yeah.
Waiting for people to answer it.
Well, that's true. I think we both grabbed it,
you can do what you like.
a little bit of the
one.
same paper there. This is from the Daily Mail, actually. I know quite a few of the papers. Cannes Film Festival is going ahead in a slightly different way than normal, and it's just these pictures. Feels like a long time since we've seen any of these kind of images, the kind of red carpet pictures. So we've got Andy McDowell here. Dame Helen Mirren said she went for the bright yellow, Lou, there. Can you see that? And so she said she was looking to bring a bit of summer. Looked like sunshine is what she wanted to
the
do.
compare and contrast Jodie Foster as well from when she first was on the red carpet.
This is extraordinary. So Jodie Foster's first appearance at the Cannes Film Festival.
With Robert De Niro. I didn't recognise him.
Robert De Niro.
Yeah.
And she was just 13 years old. The film, of course, was Taxi Driver, which remains one of the amazing films, and her performance in that film is quite incredible. And this year, there she is, 2021. So she was there yesterday as well.
Amazing. Should we quickly look? Lots of us would probably be watching a bit of telly tonight. Some of you may not want to, obviously. But they're talking about a change to TV here. So if you're watching TV, a show, let's say there's one on, isn't there, a moment called Love Island, for example? This is one they're talking about.
What happens in that show, Louise?
I'd never watched. I do watch a bit, actually. And fans who, if you opt into the service, you can watch the programme and buy at things that are on the programme immediately. So sort of like pop-up ads, for example. If there's a lovely lipstick, Charlie, that you might like, for example. I'm making that up, by the way. You could go and buy it. So there you go. It's quite an interesting idea, isn't it? But it would change the way you watch programmes, possibly.